The following question is about catalysts, and the question states that the contact process, the Haber process, and the hydrogenation of fats all involve the use of a catalyst. So he's talking about three processes, and he's asking which row correctly describes whether the catalyst used in each process is an element or a compound. So starting with the contact process. Now remember, this contact process is used in the manufacture of sulfuric acid, and there's a reversible reaction in which SO2 reacts with oxygen in a reversible reaction and gets converted into SO3. So this is a balanced reaction for that particular process. And V2O5, vanadium pentaoxide, is used as a catalyst in this reaction. So that is for the contact process. Let me write that down. On the other hand, for the Haber process is used for the manufacture of ammonia. And the Haber process has this reaction. So in the Haber process, nitrogen reacts with 3 molecules of hydrogen to produce, in a reversible reaction, to produce 2 molecules of ammonia. And the catalyst that is used in this particular reaction, it's iron, and sometimes it's also Fe2O3, but mostly the catalyst that is frequently used is going to be iron in this case. And the last reaction, which is the hydrogenation of fats, in that reaction, in hydrogenation, you have unsaturated vegetable oil. So any vegetable oil has these double bonds in it, carbon, double bond, carbon, and you have the rest of the molecule over here. So I'm writing R for the rest of the molecule, whatever the molecule. What happens in hydrogenation is that the molecule reacts with hydrogen, and the double bond becomes saturated. What that means is that the double bond breaks, and to complete the bonds, 2 hydrogen atoms are added to it. So it's an addition reaction. And in this reaction, nickel is used as a catalyst for hydrogenation. So unsaturated vegetable oils get converted into saturated margarine and fats. So in this particular case, an element is used. So the last one, hydrogenation of fats, nickel in its elemental form is used. So it's going to be this. For the Haber process, it could be both a compound if you're using Fe2O3, so then that's a compound, or it could be an element as well. So both of these options can be correct. But for the contact process, it has to be a compound, which is vanadium pentaoxide, V2O5. So the only option which has all 3 correct are going to it's going to be option B. So option B is the correct answer for this question.